Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change brightness and contrast of image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the brightness and contrast. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Pictures option and insert a picture from our file. Now I insert this. Now we want to change the brightness and contrast. Go to the picture format menu, then click the format picture option, then go to the picture section and we can see here the brightness and contrast. Now we want to increase or decrease this. Now we increase this brightness and contrast, then click OK, and we can see we change the brightness and contrast very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.